We are now walking to the Sunrail passenger cars to walk through. This is a ribbon cutting ceremony. We are the first ones to experience this. And there's 2 cars up ahead that we're going to walk through. We are in Winter Park, Florida, September 21st, 2013 at about 4:45 p.m.
Brake indication lights on the side. New LED ones.
You'll make it. I think you'll make it inside this.
It looks like
It is, but it's a different kind. It's like they tried to.
Hey, that's what I hate. That's great.
What are they handing out?
Stress relief squeeze toy. Cool. Said they're giving them out inside the cars. I'll put it next to my CS Techno.
Right now, make some noise.
Downstairs here, all of these seats fold up. So for bicycles or wheelchairs.
Yes.
People even ask about segways legally. Yeah, you can use them.
Bikes. I'm gonna have so much fun with this.
Those middle seats and all that.
We are now going on the train. You watch the stuff?
What's this right here?
I guess our trip might be out from New York because I'm not doing without a song.
Give me a smile.
There's Palm Beach.
Hey, Alice, let's take a seat. So let's take a seat. Little point of view. There she is. Oh, I thought you were gonna weight limit. Like, no, God.
I can see Walter.
What are you doing with
We do video.
Need to get it extended to Tampa. It'll happen. This will get off the ground. It'll go good.
Someday, yep.
Come on, we don't want it off the ground.
You gotta start something.
You know what? That's probably the past year.
Like when they used to have the people in front of the Fizzy Tran.
You want to get video of the test? Wow. That actually kind of looks old.
Oh, God. Is anybody in there now? No. I'll come back.
Thunder Bay, Canada. And they stuck 2 seats up here, so you know all the rail fans will be sitting up here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
Number 1 seat. I'll be here the day it opens, May 1st, 2014. Actually, there's an engine compartment there where they'll be driving that way too. Well, that concludes our tour of the Sunrail Commuter train, which opens up on May 1st, 2014. And I got my Sunrail cars.